Good morning, 8th grade, and welcome to your first virtual snow day. I am going to be kind of walking through our instructions for the day just in case any of you might miss my instruction from class. Here is what we are going to be doing today. So for today, you are going to click on the new assignment, and this should be the very first thing on everyone's Google Classroom. I'm just going to be using period 1 and 2 as an example. Okay, so you're going to click on your new assignment for February 16th. That is today. We are going to go over the instructions very carefully. So for today, I am going to post the link for this video right here. We are going to be finishing up our Auschwitz research slide projects. I am going to kind of go through and show you where everything is yet again, just in case any of you may have missed it. We are going to be working on an informative report on the author of Mouse, the graphic novel that we read. The author is Art Spiegelman. And if you need to know how to spell that, that is located in your textbook, which I do have a link on how to access that as well right on Google Classroom. We're going to be reading our next chunk of Refugee. And some classes are at different places than others, so I posted a few different chapters here for you guys. If you've already heard the chapter that I'm reading, just go ahead and move on to the next one. And your job for today is going to be to work on your lit rolls as well. So make sure that you are taking out all of the materials that you need and getting started on that. It should take you about the length of our class period to work on these assignments. So put forth some effort and everything will be good. So first things first, let's look at our Auschwitz research slide project. So I am going to go right back onto our stream, and this should be the same for all classes. We're going to kind of scroll down until we see Auschwitz concentration camp research assignment. Okay, and then here, and we should kind of have this a little bit done because we did work on getting our 10 facts for Auschwitz already. If we have not worked on this in class yet, that just means that we're moving a little bit slower. For this assignment, you are going to be just looking up 10 interesting facts or 10 things you did not know about the Auschwitz concentration camp and placing your facts here. And then you are going to be placing your facts and photos onto a 2-slide presentation. Okay, and your presentation's right here. So make sure that you jazz this up however you would like to. I just kind of placed it on there for good measure. This is completely up to you. So however you would like to decorate it, if you would like to do a collage with pictures, that's perfectly fine. But as long as you have your facts somewhere on your slide, that's what's going to be the good stuff. I do have a website that you can use if you can't locate one. We used this when we worked on our last project for our mini essays. So we're going to click on this just so that we remember what it looks like. And let's find Auschwitz on here. Scrolling down. Auschwitz Camp Complex. Okay, so that would be an article that you can use to help find facts if you need help finding a website. Some of you might not need help at all, and that's fine. Okay, so this is going to be what we will work on for approximately the first 20 minutes of class today. All right, and then as we move forward, we're going to click right back and see what's next on our agenda. We will be working on our informative reports for the author of Mouse, which is Art Spiegelman. So let's kind of look here. And for your informative report, I'm just asking that you kind of Google who he is, and we're going to say who. So the author is Art Spiegelman. We're going to find out where he's from, when he was born, a little bit about his family life. Was he married? Does he have kids, siblings, his parents? Place that information here. What happened to him during the Holocaust? So we know that he wrote Mouse, the graphic novel, on personal experiences that happened to him during the Holocaust. So keep that in mind as you are looking up what happened to him. Why do you believe that he wrote Mouse? Why would you write a graphic novel about something that happened to you? And this is an opinion question. so you can use your own thoughts on this one. Where did he go to school? Did he go to school? Did he go to high school, college, anything? If he didn't go to school, just put that there, okay? And did he write any other novels? Okay. If he did write any other novels, put what they are, all right? And that's all that we're going to do today for our informative report. Make sure that if you use more than one website, just take the URL, which is going to be the little thing up here, and copy and paste that into there so that I know where you got your information from. All right, and that will be it for this informative report. I do have you guys working on that for about 20 minutes as well. Take your time. If you fly through it and get it done quicker than 20 minutes, that's awesome. But if you need a little bit of extra time, this is a soft deadline, meaning we are going to be coming back to this and working on it when we are in school as well. And as I already mentioned, your chunks are down here, and we're working on our lit circle roles for today. And that is going to wrap up our entire class. If you guys need any help whatsoever, please make sure that you are emailing me and asking me questions, or jump right on to our Google Meet for the class. All of our classes during the class period in which I have you, we will be meeting via Google Meet. Go ahead and ask me your questions there, or if you have questions later on in the day, ask me then. Okay, I should be on all day today, and I'm pretty quick with email as it is already. So shoot me an email. I promise I'll get back with you very, very quickly, okay? And let's hope that this snow kind of melts quickly so that we can come back to school and talk about everything that we've done virtually and move forward with our instruction. So I will be seeing you guys very soon. And remember, if you need anything, to reach out. Have a wonderful day.